How to buy an investment home. Do you want to make sure you have a comfortable retirement fund? Maybe you want to continue to have a steady flow of income after you retire. Either way, real estate investing for retirement may be the perfect solution for you. If it is done correctly, then investing in real estate can make you a tidy profit for your retirement fund. You can choose to either rent out your properties, have a continuous cash flow coming in, or fix up the property and resell it for a nice profit. Both ways are great, but you have to find the one right for you, or a good balance between the two. If you decide to invest in real estate and then rent a properties out, then you can keep that cash flow coming in way after you retire. This will be a steady income for you and your family, and you won't have to worry so much about how you are going to stretch your retirement fund. On the other hand, if you decide to fix the property up and resell it, then you can make a nice profit and put it in a separate retirement fund for you to use later. Put part of it into the account and reinvest the other part so you can make more money. Do you still want to invest in real estate for your retirement? Which way is right for you? Only you can decide that, but either way you go, you are sure to make a nice little nest egg for you and your family.